Hey there, in this video, I'll show you how to make text appear on click in PowerPoint. Let's get straight into it. This works the same way on both Windows and Mac. First, click on the text box that contains the text you want to animate. You can click inside the text or on the edge of the box. Either way, you'll see a border appear around it when it's selected. Next, head up to the Animations tab in the ribbon. You'll find it between the Slideshow and Review tabs at the top of your screen. Once you click it, the ribbon changes to show all your animation options. Now choose an entrance animation from the gallery. You'll see options like appear, fade, fly in, and wipe. If you want to see the full list of effects, look for a more arrow. It's usually at the bottom right of the animations gallery. As soon as you select an effect, PowerPoint gives you a quick preview of how it'll look on your text. You'll also notice a small number appears next to your text box on the slide. That's the animation marker. Next, check that the timing is set correctly. Look at the timing group on the Animations tab and find the Start drop-down menu. By default, this should already be set to on-click, which is what you want. If it's showing something else, like with previous or after previous, click the drop-down and change it to on-click. If you want to adjust how the animation plays, you can tweak the duration and delay settings right next to the Start drop-down. Duration controls how long the animation takes to complete, and delay adds a pause before it starts. These are optional. The defaults usually work fine. Finally, test it out. Click the Slideshow button at the bottom right of your screen to enter presentation mode. In the slideshow, click anywhere on the slide to trigger your text animation. You can also use the right arrow key or spacebar to make the text appear. If you're adding animations to multiple text boxes on the same slide, each one gets its own number marker that shows the order they'll play in. You can manage the sequence by opening the animation pane from the Animations tab. It lets you reorder animations, adjust their timing, and preview them without entering slideshow mode. And that's everything you need to do. Thanks for watching.